Okay, so let's talk about some of your firsts. So, for example, what was the first product that Open Secret launched?
The first product, can I show it here? Is
Yes.
this purple, this box. So this was the
Okay.
first product, and I can tell you, I've tried 1,000 cookies before we launched it, and I made a promise to myself. I don't think I can eat any more of these, but I still eat it every single day. This is still one of my favorite products. We made this. We took this challenge that can we actually replace maida from a cookie and still make it absolutely delicious. And we added dry fruits because dry fruits is universally the healthiest
Yes.
ingredient that you could find. So you should definitely try it out, check it out. Still one of my favorite products.
Okay. The first sale that you ever made on the Open Secret website or in any manner?
When we launched, it was right before COVID.
Okay.
And I still remember it was an offline store where I was standing with a tray myself because I truly wanted to get that customer experience. And I actually saw that every single customer who tried the product bought the product. So that gave me a lot of confidence that if we can just make trial happen with Open Secret, the repeats are gonna taken care of.
Okay. Your first big win as an entrepreneur, it could be either major client, a viral moment. What can you tell us?
Oh, wow, that's an interesting question. The first big win. I'm someone who's so hard on myself that I never think anything is worthy enough to call a win. But it's interesting for me, like if I have to now reflect back and think about wins, I think these are the moments when a customer reaches out to you and they send you a message and they say, I love your bhujia. I am such a big bhujia eater, but I stopped eating because it was full of palm oil. Or when someone said that they had a disease and they wanted to replace maida but they stopped eating cookies. So when you get really heartfelt messages from customers, I don't think there's any bigger win than that. Of course, there's so many awards. We have done 3 institutional rounds, but nothing beats
Direct
the
customer
customer
feedback.
appreciation. it
Yeah.
just it just makes your day. It's still, I think anyone who drops a message on LinkedIn or comments something on LinkedIn, it really brings a big smile on my face.
Okay. Your first pitch to an investor, and how did that go?
Oh, wow. Met too many pitches. I think, first of all, there are, of course, 100 pitches, there will be 80% rejection. But I have been very grateful to have partners who really believed in the mission from day one. The first funding round that we did, it was an idea or just on paper. I didn't even have a finished product. But the investors really believed in the mission because I'm guessing, it was their pain point as well and they could see the macro trends in the country. So yeah, very grateful that they came on board from the day one, from the beginning of Open Secret.
Okay. What about your first snack obsession as a child? Anything that sort of you think back and that you
Bhujia.
loved?
Like
Bhujia.
bhujia was, I'm from Rajasthan. I
Yeah.
guess everyone who's from Rajasthan will
Yeah.
relate to this. We add bhujia to everything. We
Yeah.
add bhujia to poha. I add bhujia to dal chawal. I can't live a day without
Yeah.
bhujia. And
Yeah.
I really wanted to unjunk it. This was definitely one of the most difficult products that we have launched.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
And I mean, what's been the feedback to the bhujia itself?
Now it's amazing. People really love. This is one of our best sellers on quick
Okay.
commerce. And but in the first product that we launched was also a disaster. When I was talking about, we launched something and the customer gave us
Yeah.
feedback and we ran a Kaizen process. So this is one product which took its time, but now we're very proud of the product that we've created.
Right. And do you see this at some point in the future actually able to compete with the Haldirams?
That's the hope. That's
That's
the
the hope.
dream.
Okay. All right. Just going back to your other point, first time that a product you launched didn't work and had to be scrapped.
So we launched this product called Nutty Chips.
Okay.
And I think this goes back to the affordability point. We thought that we will add a peanut butter between chips so it will be an amazing snack, but I realized that because of so many features that we had added to the product, it became super expensive that people were not eating it every single day. And it made me realize that you should not solve for yourself as a founder in a consumer business. you really need to understand the pulse of the customer, and not just a customer sitting in Lower Parel, but a customer, an average family, and build products for them. So even whenever we are launching new products coming out of Open Secret, I am just one customer giving feedback on the product, but we take a very diverse point of feedback, and we work damn hard to make the products more and more affordable.
Right.
And because Indian families, उनका budget होता है, वो उतने ही पैसे दे सकते हैं. So yeah, I think we can't pass the inefficiency of our procurement of a scale to the consumer. So we are very obsessed in making our products more and more affordable for Indian families.